Another massive bullish week it was for gold. We have seen gold breaching past the critical mark at $4,000 levels. We have also seen a little resistance at 4060 before closing the week at 4020. Yes, towards the end of the week, that was a major volatile day. We had seen the Trump tariffs have again caused volatility here into the metals prices. Are we looking forward for gold to breach past 4200 mark in this month? Are the tariffs going to set gold on fire again? Yes, the safe haven demand, because we have seen the equities, we have seen the indices crushing towards the end of the day with the US imposing tariffs on China. And yes, the chances of trade war now increasing high. This might bring another run here into the gold prices. But are we looking at that? Or the prices are done with the highs and wait for a reversal and a crash here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold in the coming week? We are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. We are ignoring the news. We are not talking about the geopolitical events, the tariffs, the fundamentals here. We'll see what the charts are speaking of. So let's start. Towards the end of the analysis, I am also going to give you the trading levels, so watch till the end. Also, this is a weekly forecast. I do share my twice a day updates on gold, first with the Asia and Europe session, next before the US session, such that you can profit across the sessions trading as per the levels. So let's start. Do subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the 4-hour charts here. That is the smallest time frame. You can see this. Every rise offsets with a little retracement towards the 20 or 50 period moving average. This time the rise was stronger, the drop was also equally sharp. We have seen the prices dropping right from 40-60 levels towards 39-40 levels here. In a single day, we have seen the almost $100 move here. Now, what has happened since then? A little retracement has started. If you look at the closing of the week, this is closed at the top. What it has done, it has erased the losses from this candle here, and this has come towards the next resistance zone. If you watch my yesterday's, that is Friday's update, you will find I had mentioned it is going to be difficult for gold to break beyond 4020, 4022. Now it has come towards the same zone. Second observation here is the support it has created at 3940. Now if you look at this base, what has happened here, you can see first rise retracement, second bigger rise retracement towards the same zone. Now it is bouncing back again on the upside. Does it mean that are we looking forward to higher highs from here? Are we looking forward to 4100 and 4160 levels here? So this possibility we should explore here. Look at the moving average. These are still trading with divergence and are still trading bullish here. Second thing here is the hurdle at 4040, 4060. This is going to be the most strongest hurdle for gold to break beyond. Once it trades beyond 40 40 40 60, and in fact let me include 4064 as well. So once gold trades beyond these levels, the chances will be very high that we will see gold hitting 4100 mark, and beyond 4100 we can in fact see a spike towards 4160 and 4200. Yes, possibility is there. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. Yes, on the higher time frames, we'll move towards those time frames. Things are definitely staying overbought, and this bull run is extremely overstressed. Look at the stochastic. This is rising again. It is scope for it to again get back into overbought zone. Even if it stays here for a while, we can see prices spiking all the way towards 4200 mark. Now this is interesting on the 4-hour charts. See the crossover from the top. We have discussed this in our daily analysis that this crossover is a bearish indication. What has happened since then? It has taken a hit. Now it is trying to converge. Possible that this could become the base and it could scale towards higher highs. But I will say the downside is still wide open. Remember, the preceding crossover comes at an extremely higher low levels, and if at all gold decides to move lower, you can expect a greater correction here. Remember, this is overbought and a correction is due. Now, when we talk about the impact of tariff, I'll show you that on the daily charts. If you see, let's first conclude with the 4-hour charts. The RSI was overbought, it is dropped and now trying to bounce back. Now coming to the daily chart. Now let me take you back towards the beginning of April, when we had seen the President Trump imposing the liberation date tariffs. What has happened to gold prices there? Right from 3150, we have seen a drop towards 2950, almost a 7% correction in just 4 to 5 sessions. Now, this is the impact which tariffs could make again. Though we had seen a greater recovery since then, what a good bounce back has appeared here. Now, what has happened since then? We have seen a massive rally all the way. If you talk about where the gold prices were in April, these were at 2950 levels, the lows here. And now we are sitting already at 40, 50 levels. We have already seen these highs, almost a 33% rise in just 4 to 5 months. Now look at the daily charts here. Now on the daily charts, two key observations. One is the double top, second is the triple bottom. So now this zone of $200 or $100 is very crucial for gold. That is, either it trades beyond 4060 or it trades beyond 3950, 3940. Now, what are the possibilities that it could do here? See, the support from 5 period moving average is very strong. Yes, it has to close below the 5 period moving average on the daily basis. Only once we had seen this in the last uh, few weeks. You can see this was the breakout, and since then it is not closed below the 5 period. Just this was one exception where we had seen couple of red candles. Now see, the triple bottom double top, it has to come out of this zone. That is pretty clear. Also, it is closed the day at the highs here, where the preceding two candles had either opened or closed. So now the coming week is very crucial. The direction it takes towards the beginning of the week, the time it trades below 3980, there will be a definite pull further on the downside, which should take it towards 3940 levels. And once it trades below 3940, that will be the beginning of reversal towards. Now see, whenever prices diverge from 20 period, the possibility of prices converging towards 20 period remains very high, which means there is a strong possibility for gold to move towards 3850 again. From 4020 to 3850, almost a 5% correction here. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Looking at the rally, what we had seen. Stochastic overbought here, trying to cool down. MACD, when you see the MACD, this is at extremes here. This is definitely at extremes. It is not that it cannot stretch the run, even if it delivers couple of greener candles from here. The MACD might be just slightly changed, but the prices are going to be all the way towards 41, 4150 or 4200 mark. There could be huge swings the first trading session, that is Monday. You have to be careful of that. RSI is staying extremely overbought here. And looking at these two, the MACD and RSI, remember historically whenever you see MACD and RSI at such levels, it definitely calls for a pullback, and that too very soon. Now coming to the weekly chart. Before we go into the weekly chart, see, if you are also willing to learn this art of trading, you should join the mentorship batch. The 35th batch dates are announced. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And yes, in this mentorship, you will get to learn all the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify the profitable trades with ease. And yes, you also get to be part of our students alumni Telegram group, where you get all the trades and trends. Also, yes, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can profit in these volatile times. And those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now coming to the weekly charts here, let me take you back towards April. What has happened in April? See, a major pullback was seen right from the lows after the tariffs. And then what has happened? The price is just consolidated in a zone. Staying in the zone for a couple of months, we have seen a breakout, and then you can see what has happened since then. Straight bullish candles. Now remember, increasing body size suggests increasing bullishness. Second is, it is staying outside Bollinger Bands, completely outside Bollinger Bands. Now see, even if you look at the preceding candle, it is started at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and kept riding high. Now this is going to be almost outside the bands here. Hence, this is definitely going to be a difficult task for gold to stretch this run. Now see what has happened here. Price is narrowed, the bands narrowed here. Since then it has continued to expand. It has expanded on both the sides. Then it has waited for the lower end of the bands to converge. We have seen range bound movement. It has again formed a neck here, and since then it is consistently expanding. Now this expansion could stretch for next few weeks as well. Hence the bullishness is still not yet diminished. Also, when you see one more thing here, that the candle last week has left a little wick on the upside, and it is possible that there could be a swing where we can see the price is moving towards 4150 or 4100 or 4150 mark, and then from those levels a reversal begins here. So again, it is going to be an eventful week. It is going to be a volatile week as well. Remember, the prices are trading with too much of divergence. The prices are trading with too much of divergence from, in fact, the 5 period moving average and the 20 period moving average, which calls for it to start converging. Look at this: first, second, then third. Yes, there were dips here. Now this is a strong rally and a breakout here, and this is almost at the top of the channel. The lows of the channel are now aiming towards 3500, 3600 zone. So let's wait. A 20% correction has to be there, but right now it is not showing such signs. Stochastic remaining extremely overbought. MACD at extremes as well. Look at the waves here and see the waves. It is almost at the top of it. It is again at the top of it. So from here again, and this time remember, if it starts to correct, it is going to be a huge one. So again, I am just saying that yes, the tariffs could impact the metals here. The safe haven demand could increase, but remember, when such phenomena happens, in general the equity and metals take the same same trend. For a short while there could be a spike, but the reversal has to be there as well. RSI back to extremely overbought zone, and see from these levels what happens. In general it reverses. So I hope that the highs are not too far for gold. Now coming to the monthly. Now monthly charts presents a different situation. When you see 3 to 4 candles here, then 3 months of consolidation, and now looking upwards. Now remember, on the monthly charts, this is the third candle. Imagine if this delivers the same size of candle or a higher body size, which I think is going to be difficult, because what has happened here, you can see almost in a single month we have seen $400 getting covered, almost 11 to 12% rise in a single month. So this candle is going to be critical here. Similar size, I do not expect that it is going to deliver a $400 of move. But yes, if even if it tries to deliver similar or smaller size, 4200 in this month should be or can be there. I will not say should be, but can be there. Because why it cannot be or should be? Because see, things are definitely overstretched here in gold, and though it is not giving any such sign, you can see this is an exponential run here. If you see the stochastic, here is overbought. The MACD, it is extremes. This is at extremes. This is the vertical one-sided wall. A period has to come in gold in the next few months where this might call for extreme reversal. RSI extremely overbought. So all the gaga which is happening in markets related to gold, and specifically yes, silver as well. Though silver is still room for further rise, but I'll say specifically for metals, the gaga, the almost every other influencer, almost every other analyst is predicting the highs at, in fact, $5,000 levels, 6,600, 8,000 and $10,000 levels for gold here. I think the story could be something else. Remember, influencers are here to influence your decision, and hence you have to choose, you have to decide why a particular trend or trade can be profitable for you. So with this, now let's have a look at the trading level. First is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy when you see gold at 40, 24, 25 levels itself. My first hurdle is going to be towards 40, 40. Very crucial hurdle. 40, 40, 40, 50 and 40, 60. Three levels which gold has to break beyond. If at all it trades beyond these levels, I think 4100 has to be there. And once it trades beyond 4100 level, the next targets are going to be towards 4158, and the most critical one is at 4208. This is what the best gold can do here, is to strike 4200. That might remain the highs for the next few months here. You have to be watchful here. The coming week again is going to be impactful here. On the downside, where you should, now 4000 is a crucial psychological mark here. I will though recommend you to sell at 4008 levels. Expect here 3994, then 3980, and if this is taken, then in fact 3970, 3960. Now once it trades beyond this zone 3980 to 60, the next target is going to be towards 3940, 44. I will say till 3940 it is not to be treated bearish. Once it trades below 3940 mark, you can expect the next target at 3900, 3884, 3850, and then 3800 mark here. This is going to be the next milestone. Remember, if prices can rally sharply, it can crash hard as well. You have to embrace the movement as it is. Just stick to the levels. Now, gold has taken a direction from which only reversal is what is the best possibility. And thus upside appears, you have to trail your stop losses. Yes, if it rises, you have to trail your stop losses. So trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support that. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.